Yo guys, today I put on my glasses just to unbox here the packet from Coolblue. It's my new tripod, my new Gorrilapod. The first time that I'm gonna test one like this, that I'm gonna have one like this. And for me it's for my Osmo Action. We're gonna test it for the Osmo Action, a camera that I have since a week. In fully test phase. We are testing it right now because I only got the head strap, the body strap from a homie, so all the rest I have to buy by myself, like the SD card. If you got more question about the SD card for the Osmo Action, it's very specific. It won't work with every SD card. So first I undo this one. I'm gonna take my cup of tea because I got a dry mouth. You see, it's really simple. It's like I'm playing with Kinects, you know? Okay, it struggles a little bit. Up, and you see, it's very user-friendly. Thank you, DJI. And it's locked. You know, I'm a really clumsy guy, but I did it on 1, 2, 3. And look at this, Coolblue sent my package, and we got here the Gorrilapod. So I thought it's gotta be bigger, but yeah, we're gonna see. The most important thing I think is that it fits on my action cam. Very carefully. Okay, for you guys, I'm a beginner. So if you are a beginner too, listen to my tips. So at the back side we find another grip, the Joby tripod. Yeah, it's not bad, okay. And does it fits? It fits, thank God it fits. And now I got, a Joby. So I don't know in which direction I have to put it, but if you ask me, I think to be logical, no, to be logical it has to be like this. Then you can do, I don't know, bro. But I will try it first. Okay. Okay, so I think the Joby is a good deal. I'm gonna use the new one. I'm really happy with the service also. I put the comment yesterday, and look already now. They send me it. I'm so happy. Yeah, Joby. Okay, that's a really big thing here. But it works very nice, you see, because with my short one, I got always the problem that it's stuck here against my frame. But now, you see, it's perfect, bro. Oh, and now I can film just. Now I can film. It's a very stable. Pam, pam, pam. I can tok. Nice, bro. Okay. So the last thing I want to check is the flexibility, and if I can take. Oh yeah, it's like in a stand. It's like wow. It's like a Star Wars monster, a Star Wars clone trooper. Yeah, look at me with my bro. Wow, and I think on camera it seems nice. Look, pluck, paparazzi in the sand, bruh. Paparazzi with my spider on my back. Okay. Nice, bro.